So today I wanted to share a product with you that really helps out a lot in this little studio space. It's the Ulanzi U70 ball head. Now that might be kind of boring, but these can actually be a huge help in just being a lot more efficient when you're making your videos. So let me tell you why in 30 seconds, because it's Thursday. So Ulanzi has this really good ball head. It's quality made, it's strong, it has a max weight load of 20 kilograms or 44 pounds, and it's really easy to adjust, but also an attached adjustable cold shoe mount for mics or lights. But it also uses the Arca Swiss plate, and it comes with a really nice mounting plate as well. Now this isn't like a new featured product from Ulanzi. I just personally wanted to share this with you because this product has been a huge help in this tiny little studio space, or whatever you want to call it. And that's because with this specific mounting plate, I can have a bunch of these around my office. Instead of needing a bunch of different cameras, I can just get something like this and easily pop it off of one mount and put it on the other. Yeah, I have a slider on my desk. It actually works pretty good. Now, I will say that previously I was using these Jobby ball heads, which wasn't bad, but it just wasn't as strong and not as quality made. Also, there's no cold shoe, but also they have this like custom plate that can only be used with these Jobby ball heads. And while that's good within their own system, it's just not compatible with some other accessories. For example, I have this Ulanzi Zero tripod, awesome tripod by the way, but it has the Arca mount on here, so I can easily just pop this thing on and lock it into place, and it's good to go. And also, like this DJI RS3 mini gimbal, I could just easily pop it on there as well. And the other really good thing about it is it comes in at $38 US. So for that, it's a lot cheaper to get a bunch of these than to get multiple cameras. Time's up. But anyway, I'm a huge fan of Ulanzi. They always make great products. I've never gotten anything from them that I didn't like. And they didn't ask me to make this video. This is something that I just wanted to share with you because this could be very helpful for you in trying to pick out your ball head system. So I'll put a link to that down in the description, plus a surprise link, but that's it for me. Thanks for watching another 30-second Thursday video. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
Reply.